All right, so going upstairs, we have this one would be the master bedroom. It's got a king size bed. There's a fan that is controlled by a remote. And then here on each side, these lights are on dimmers, and there's plugs inside too. And then closet here. So on each side of the bed are light switches that are on dimmers and a little plug. This is like the linen closet. So we have sheets, there's an iron, there's a steamer, towels. Then we have the bathroom here. This one's all recently redone, so toilet, and then the full bath in here, and there's like those grab bars too. You can go on either side. And then last, there's a thermostat for upstairs and downstairs, so you can control the temperature. So there's AC and heat. And then this is the last bedroom. This one has a twin size bed. It's a smaller bedroom. And then there's a twin trundle underneath too, as well as a closet. Yep. And that is it.